When I walked into Kevin and Nicole Knorr's house, I couldn't help but notice just how beautiful it was. But it took a long time to get to this point. Back in 2020, scammers stole nearly $800,000 they saved to buy their home in an elaborate wire fraud scam. Now I'm following through with what happened since then. The Knorrs tell me they sued and finally got justice.
This was right when I found out I was pregnant with him. This is Declan, and this was actually in Solana Beach.
It may seem like the Knorrs have it pretty good. A beautiful family.
Oh, they love the beach. Right now we're very into boogie boarding.
And a gorgeous house. But it hasn't been an easy road.
He wasn't even around when this whole thing started. It's been a really long 6 years.
We first spoke to the Knorrs back in February 2020. At the time, new parents with a 1-year-old. They ended up wiring money for a home they wanted to buy to a scammer, more than $775,000.
We can't sleep.
They blamed the escrow and real estate company and filed a lawsuit that same year. According to the lawsuit, the scammers impersonated the Knorrs real estate agent. Power Escrow didn't realize it and communicated back. The scammers asked Power Escrow to share sensitive financial information detailing the final closing estimate, and the company did.
They gave them our personal information, our buyer's closing statement, so we lost a lot of money.
They sued multiple parties, including Power Escrow and HomeSmart, for negligence, breach of fiduciary duty, and breach of contract, as well as liability. They argue the company's lack of security and protocols aided the theft.
It was negligence on top of negligence. It was a long haul. It was 6 years, and fighting, every day.
A stressful situation testing their relationship and their family, dealing with a newborn at the time and the loss of their life savings.
I don't think that we were the parents we should have been, having that, heavy weight on our shoulders.
But finally, they won. According to the judgment, a jury ruled Power Escrow owes the Knorrs roughly $1.2 million. It found the company 85% liable and the Knorrs 15%. It did not find HomeSmart liable. The attorney representing both companies told me the case is currently ongoing and likely headed towards appeal. He didn't want to comment further because of ongoing litigation.
It was vindicating.
What's your message to other people looking to buy a home?
Be careful. If it can happen to us, it can happen to anybody.
Typically, when you're buying a home, the seller gets to choose the escrow company. We weren't told this, but you can disagree, so I think it's really important to do your research once they pick one.
For now, the Knorrs are looking ahead, focusing on their family and each other.
Justice was served. The next step is seeing what they do next and how we move forward.
And during the initial scam, they had a GoFundMe to help recoup some of the money. They got about $20,000 from that. They said once they get their judgment, they plan to make a donation in that amount to Make-A-Wish.